What if every property record, crawl feed, and CRM event in your business could land in a single query-ready dataset in minutes instead of overnight? For many data teams, a single end-to-end refresh still takes 8 to 12 hours. Pipelines re-ingest full datasets instead of deltas. Poorly partitioned tables scan hundreds of millions of rows, and every schema change triggers another all-hands migration weekend. Meanwhile, analysts face conflicting metrics pulled from half a dozen exports and legacy reports. At one real estate data platform operating across the US, data arrived in waves, daily updates, 10 to 15 gigabytes monthly, CSV drops, and full historical refreshes from hundreds of sources. Our job was to transform this chaos into a governed data backbone that could safely process 250 million plus documents every month, power daily updates, and still answer complex queries in under 2 seconds. We started by standardizing ingestion. Web crawlers pulling from 180 plus public websites, Logstash pipelines, and custom Java ETL handling matching, validation, and enrichment, all landing in an AWS-based data platform with Redshift for analytics and Elasticsearch for high-speed search. Now, monthly recalculations of pricing, sale probability, and lead likelihood run city by city without touching production. And real-time dashboards stay responsive even while hundreds of millions of records are being updated behind the scenes. Data engineers get predictable workloads and clear observability. Business teams get a single source of truth they can rely on. When data engineering is done right, fragmented feeds become a governed platform, and that platform becomes your competitive edge. Faster decisions, lower cloud spend, and AI-ready data from day one.